Welcome back to Texoma Classics 1965 restomod Coyote Edition Mustang rear seat delete and subwoofer enclosure build out. Today we're going to look at the cover that's going on this enclosure. The material used is new Coja rawhide, which is a full grain top coat leather with king blue contrast thread. We included the diamond pattern in the enclosure, that way it would flow with the rest of the interior. The stitching design used on the subwoofer enclosure was made to resemble the same design on the dash. Each piece of leather is hand selected for the design and functionality. Due to this being a full grain rawhide leather, you have to work with the natural flaws and defects in order to get the desired look that you're looking for. The grills are custom made out of aluminum and MDF. Thanks for joining us here at Texoma Classics. Check back with us later when we have more on this 65 restomod Coyote Edition Mustang.